Hi guys, so today I'm back with another first impressions try on kind of a video. So in today's video we are going to try out some Blue Heaven makeup. I have purchased a couple of products from Blue Heaven. I wasn't interested in doing this video only because they don't have base makeup like foundation shades for darker complexions like my skin tone. Even though it's an Indian brand, if I'm not wrong. I've been seeing this brand around for almost like 25 years. So I thought, let's give it a shot and try some products from this brand. So right now my face is clean. I don't have anything on, and I wanted to do full face of Blue Heaven, but I'll not lie, I've already tried the foundations on my hand and they don't look promising. So I'm starting with moisturizing my face first because this is the most important step. So first thing first, we are going to apply a primer. I have this Blue Heaven primer, which is Studio Perfection Oil Free Non-Greasy Perfect Makeup Base, and it's like a clear gel, and I'm assuming that it's going to be like silicone-y. Okay, my skin feels really smooth. So I'm going to do my eyes first today because I'm not sure how good is the eyeshadow palette which I bought from the brand. So it might cause fallouts and I don't want to ruin my base makeup. First of all, I have this Blue Heaven Xpressions eyeshadow pencil, and this is in the shade number 1. It also comes with a sharpener. It's quite sheer, but I'll be honest, I'm liking the color. Nice, let's blend it. Okay, so blending kind of makes the color disappear. This is creamy. I'm not sure how long lasting it is going to be. I'm just blending it a little because if I blend it more, the color shears out a lot and it becomes like really unnoticeable. So it's feeling tacky, a little bit sticky. I'm going to leave it like that for a couple of minutes. For eyeshadow palette, I have picked this Blue Heaven Fashion Blush on Glitters Eye Glitters, and this is for ₹120. So as you can see, there are a lot of colors in there. All of them have shimmers. So I'm fine with it. Let's get on with the eye makeup. I'm happy to see so many colors in the palette. The colors are pretty vibrant and nice. So we'll see how they perform on the eye. I'm going to take this mustard yellow, this one, apply it on the 1/3 of my eyelids, like the inner 1/3. So instead of sweeping the brush, just pat the color, and I must say the color looks really nice. So I have it on both the eyes. Next I'm going to take this burgundy color and apply it on the rest of my eyelids. It's very sheer, but it has lots of glitter. It doesn't have any matte transition color. All the colors are pretty bright. I'm going to use my bronzer for blending out the color in the crease. I'm not going to blend too much because I think I'm going to lose the intensity. And as expected, I can see some fallouts, but nothing too terrible, nothing we cannot fix. I'm going to apply some eyeliner and finish the eye makeup. For eyeliner, I have this Blue Heaven Matte Walk Free Eyeliner, which is waterproof, rub proof, ultra black and quick drying. It's a long wear eyeliner and it was in shade yellow. So the yellow doesn't mean that the color inside the tube is going to be yellow. It means the packaging is just yellow. So this is for ₹125. Eyeliner looks nice. I'm not really fond of such slim brush tip eyeliners, but I think it applied really well. It was quite black and it has dried matte. So I am quite pleased with the eyeliner. I was not sure that whether I'm going to be able to apply it well on the eyes, because I struggle with such thin um, brushes, because I don't know, I struggle a lot, but I think it has applied really well. It's quite black and it is matte. Thumbs up. I think my eyes are missing some kajal, and I'm going to apply this Blue Heaven Artisto kajal, which is waterproof and smudge proof. This is again for 125 rupees, and this has a brush here. There is the brush. This reminds me more of the regular gel eyeliners. I'm going to apply it with the same brush. Oh wow, this is nice. I would have loved to apply this as my eyeliner. I will apply some false lashes. I'm going to move on to mascara quickly. This is the mascara I have. I See You Mascara Eyeliner 2-in-1. Here you have the eyeliner, which looks really hopeless, and it was very dry. When I tried using it, it was very dry and it was very sheer. And this is mascara, which looks quite nice. And these are their Ultra HD makeup sticks. I have picked these in shade number 4 and 6. Shade number 4 was natural and 6 was rose. I have 6 shades, and I thought, you know, picking up the last 2 shades would solve my problem. But unfortunately, I cannot tell the difference. They both look the same. This is number 6. You can see it's very white. It cannot work on my face. And this is number 4. Can you tell the difference? The only difference is that this is supposed to have more pink and this is supposed to have more yellow, but unfortunately both look extremely white. So number 4 and this is number 6. For my foundation, I'm going to use my Kiko foundation. So the foundation is done, and for my under eyes I'm going to use number 4. I'm going to rub it on the back of my hand first, because I think these are quite dry. This has a typical Blue Heaven fragrance, like it smells floral. I'm going to take a little bit more. Next up I have Blue Heaven Saphire Makeup Translucent Powder. I was quite surprised to find translucent powder in Blue Heaven, and this is in the shade natural. I think they have a lot of shades, like more shades, 2-3 shades in this range. Okay, so the color looks quite dark. Taking it on my sponge and pressing it under the eyes. This is very thick and patchy. Applying it with the sponge is not a good idea, so on the other eye I'm going to apply it with a brush. Oh god. It's chalky, so it has moved my foundation and concealer underneath, so the situation is quite bad right now, but it looks very dry. On camera it's looking okay. We will move on to the Ultra HD pressed powder. This is in the shade Natural number 4. So this is the Ultra HD powder, and it opens like this. It has a sponge down here. I do not have a bronzer. I am going to use my bronzer. Moving on to the blush. This is Blue Heaven Diamond Blush On in the shade 506. Looks pretty bright. Pretty bright. I'll be very careful. Thankfully the blush is looking okay. It doesn't have a brow product, or I could not find a brow product from them, so I'm going to use my L'Oreal brow pomade, although it has dried a lot. After doing my eyebrows, I think the makeup looks pretty nice. I'm going to use the makeup fixer. This is like a makeup mist on my face to set my makeup first. This smells so strong. This almost smells like your nail paint remover. In the meantime, I'm going to apply a little bit of Kajal on my lower lash line because I really want to do that. I'm going to apply some mascara. Mascara is like dried up and it's not doing any good. I have a lipstick from them which is Blue Heaven Artisto lipstick in the shade Mischief, which is number 3. So this is the finished makeup look, and I think it's looking really good on camera, but in person it's not. The foundation stick has bunched up here, so it's very patchy, and the loose powder was very thick, and it was not good. And the setting powder which I used after that, this is okay-ish. The eyeshadow palette which I used was like sheer, very sheer, but it was still workable. Like I was still able to create a makeup look. The eyeliner I liked, and also the kajal, both are really nice. The eyeliner is really nice. I was really surprised. Mascara is no good, it's very dry. Primer is nice because it actually made my face really smooth. The mist I did not like at all because it really smelled like nail polish remover. Overall, this was more like a miss for me. So I wanted to give Blue Heaven a shot because it's like one of the most famous brands and a lot of people around me have used it in the past. So my experience was not good. So if you have tried Blue Heaven, if you liked their products, just let me know. The lipstick is sheer, but it's okay. It's okay. It's kind of it looks matte on camera, but in reality it's feeling quite moisturizing, which is really good. So lipstick is also nice. So lipstick, eyeliner and kajal, I like these 3, and the primer also. The eyeshadow is like in between, it's like an okayish product. So yeah, that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look using cheap makeup products. If you have any recommendations in terms of any other brand that you want me to try out, let me know. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.